To manage work-life balance, we do meal prep. Here is my edition of meal prep series. Let's get started. Here is I soaked 1 cup of black urad dal, which is black gram, and 1/4 cup of kidney beans. And here is my green moong, which is whole moong. I'm just soaking it overnight. Here I'm making super seeds mixture. I have flax seeds, sesame seeds, some fennel seeds, ajwain, which is carom seeds, and some cumin. Dry roast everything for about 2 minutes until the seeds splutter, and then coarse grind it. It's loaded with nutrients, best source of calcium, good for our hair and joints. And moving on to our fermented foods, which is always good for our gut health. So I'm planning to make this sponge dosa this time. So it's just urad dal, rice, some methi seeds, poha, and some tapioca. So soak it overnight and then grind it next day morning. So I'm just going to grind it nice and smooth. Every week we make sure that we eat some fermented food. So this time it's sponge dosa, but other times it's just idli or multigrain dosa batter. I keep the batter covered with the foil paper in the oven with the light on for some time, and next day morning it is ready to use. So I just mix it well with some salt. This week, since I'm making dosa, I was running out of my dosa chutney, which is poddi. So this is urad dal, sesame seeds, and some tur dal with some dried coconut, curry leaves, and some red chili. Once it's nicely roasted, I'm going to add some tamarind and grind it well with some salt and pinch of turmeric powder and some hing, which is asafoetida, and some jaggery just for that little sweetness. It's just optional, but you can skip it. So let's grind it well after it's completely cool off. And here is how it looks. You can also add Kashmiri red chili powder to get the red color. This week's sabzi is fenugreek leaves, which is loaded with nutrients as vitamins and minerals and fiber. I'm just going to make a simple sabzi with fresh fenugreek leaves and some onion and some garlic with some red chili powder and salt. Wash okra or ladyfinger and then towel dry it. Here is my another sabji, which is cabbage. I just wash and cut this cabbage. Some ginger, tomato, and red chili powder with some curry leaves. Here's my chopped lady fingers and my cabbage sabji. Alright, so moving on to veg cutlets. I have 3 boiled potatoes and I just shredded it along with some chopped fresh French beans, cabbage, and some carrot, and some green chilies as well. We will also add some spices, which is salt, chaat masala, some sugar, then fenugreek leaves, and then some garam masala and turmeric and red chili powder. So mix it well along with some rice flour and breadcrumbs and make cutlets of any shape. I like round shape for veggies, so I'm going to just cover it with some breadcrumbs and then shallow fry it just like so. And then I'll keep it some more in the freezer and enjoy it. This is my shrimp cutlet version, so I just marinated the shrimps with some red chili powder, salt, and lemon juice. I made cutlet shapes as a oval shape and just going to fry them for snacks for the next day and keep some in the freezer. For kids' lunchbox, I just boil some pasta. It's always easier for the next day morning for lunch. So here is my meal prep series. If you like this series, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon. Stay tuned and watch such interesting videos by clicking the links above. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.